Hey everybody, this is Chadley at MetalWorks. Just giving you guys a quick peek at our latest project that just arrived at the shop. 62 Lincoln Continental build. And here's the rest of the Lincoln as it arrived at the shop. Of course, we did not do the teardown on this. This is exactly how it arrived in all these totes, completely torn apart. So it should be an interesting puzzle piece to put together, but it's certainly not the first time we've done this. So we'll get it figured out. You guys can watch the entire build take place on our website, MetalWorksClassics.com. I'll be putting the build up on there shortly.